Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to update firmware on the Xiaomi Smart Band 10. Now to do that, first of all, just make sure that you have paired your Xiaomi Smart Band 10 to your smartphone through the Mi Fitness app. After that, on your smartphone, just open the Mi Fitness app, then go to Device. From here, just tap on More and tap on Update. Now as you can see, an update is available. Now just tap on download. Now it will take some time to update the firmware of the Xiaomi Smart Band 10. Now as you can see, synced successfully. Now as you can see, don't use your device while it is updating. Just tap on continue. Now as you can see, the Mi Band 10 is updating its firmware. Now it will take some time for the Mi Band 10 to update its firmware. Now as you can see, the current version is up to date. And this is how you can update the firmware on the Xiaomi Smart Band 10. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.